This is a sheet bend, which you would use for tying two lines of maybe slightly different or the same size thickness. Word of warning on this knot: this is only tight whilst it's under load. When it drops load on it, it will come apart. So in one of your ropes you create a loop, take your working end of the other rope and you go through and over and round, so you end up in this situation. You then come over and then underneath itself but above the other working line, so it's so it kind of crosses through and under like that, and as you can see it's actually above the baseline and above, and then pull tight, and whilst ever that's under load, that is locked. As soon as you release the load, falls apart.